Body transformation doesn't always begin with complex exercises. Most beginners should begin with a few simple exercises that will work the major muscle groups of the body: core, chest, legs, glutes, back, and stabilization. This is why the following 5 exercises are helpful. They are easy, no equipment is needed, and they help lay the groundwork your body needs before progressing to more difficult exercises. The idea is not to be completely transformed from one day to the next. 4 weeks is not magic, but with regular practice, proper nutrition, and positive habits, these exercises can help to strengthen posture, balance, and control the body. Let's discuss each one separately. 1. Plank. The initial workout is called the plank. Planks primarily strengthen your core. People often think of just abs when they hear core, but your core is more than that. It contains muscle groups surrounding your abdomen, lower back, hip, and pelvis area. These muscles maintain stability in your body when walking, lifting, bending, and exercising. When you are doing a plank, you're fighting gravity. Your stomach muscles, lower back, shoulders, and buttocks are all working together to maintain the straight line of your body. That's why planks can be beneficial for posture and body control. To do so, remove your arms to the floor, positioning your elbows under your shoulders, and extend your legs behind you. Maintain good body alignment from head to toe. Pull stomach in and hold. If you're a beginner, 20 to 30 seconds are sufficient. How long you hold it is not as important as good form. 2. Push-up. The other exercise is the push-up. Push-ups are a compound exercise as they engage multiple muscles simultaneously. It is a movement that utilizes the primary muscles of the chest, shoulders, and triceps, though the entire core is stabilizing the body. This allows the push-up to be effective for strengthening the upper body and overall control of the body. As you bend, your chest and shoulders are the ones that bend. Push back up with your arms, chest, and shoulders. Do it by keeping your hands approximately shoulder width, apart, straight body, tight abs, bringing your chest towards ground and returning. If doing a full push-up is too hard, consider modifying it to a knee push-up or an incline push-up with help from a bench, table, or wall. It is not cheating. It's just the next step. 3. Squat is the third exercise. The squat is one of the most fundamental lower body movements and teaches a movement pattern you perform daily, sitting down and getting back up. Primarily targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, hips, and core. Squats may also help to strengthen the legs, enhance balance, mobility, and lower body control. To do a squat, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Squeeze in the abdominal area, squeeze the glutes, and sit back like you are sitting backwards into a chair. Bend down as far as you can comfortably go. Then straighten your legs back up using your heels. The key takeaways are: maintain knee control, prevent knees collapsing inwards, and don't round the back. Begin with bodyweight squats and then add weight. 4. Bird dog. The fourth exercise is bird dog. This exercise is not a power-based activity. It's all about stability and control. The bird dog exercises your core, lower back, glutes, and stabilizing muscles. These are the muscles that assist in maintaining the balance and alignment of the body while in motion. It's particularly helpful as it trains your body to move one arm and the opposite leg while stabilizing your spine. Do it by beginning on hands and knees. Hands should be underneath shoulders and knees underneath hips. At the same time, stretch right arm forward and left leg backward. Back should be straight and avoid twisting hips. Pause and then repeat. Switch sides, move slowly. The more leisurely the speed, the greater the control that the body can generate. 5. Glute bridge. The glute bridge is the fifth exercise. This exercise primarily targets the glutes but also activates the hamstrings, hips, core, and lower back supporting muscles. Many sit for long periods of time throughout the day. The gluteals can lose strength and become inactive over time, impacting posture, hip mobility, and comfort in the lower back. The glute bridge is an exercise that can help activate and engage these muscles. To do this, lie back with knees flexed and feet flat to the ground. Always have arms at your sides. Squeeze your glutes and roll your hips up until your shoulders, hips, and knees are in a straight line. Now tighten your bum at the top and then slowly lower back down. It's important to lift with your glutes, not your low back. The 5 exercises are a good combination as they target various muscles and muscle groups. The plank is a core strengthening exercise. The push-up is a great exercise for strengthening the upper body. The squat is an exercise that builds leg and buttock muscles. The bird dog is great for balance and control of the spine. The glute bridge helps to strengthen the hips and helps to support the lower back. They come together to form a basic beginner full-body workout. Maintain consistency over 4 weeks. Don't strive for perfection. Use only a few sets/reps at first. Refine the exercise and gradually ramp up the challenge as you become stronger. Do not forget, exercise is not the whole story. Results are also influenced by sleep, food, water, and rest. If you're new, then you should start small. Move well. Stay consistent. Develop the habit first. This is where any real progress starts. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness videos and keep building that habit.